because I don't know if you still have the superpower, Brandi.
She'd just be outing you and all your talents,
dude,
Brandi.
The girl can fucking burp. I'm telling you. When we went camping, we used to have her go out to the edge of the campsite, all four corners, and burp out into the wilderness. It was considered to be bear repellent because a bear thinks, I don't know what that is, but I don't want to eat it. And that was our security system, was Brandi burping. Funny. But she could get through the whole alphabet in one burp when we were kids. It was incredible.